guys, welcome back to Ray Photography Studio Rays here. As you know from my last video, I traded in my D610 for the new promotions, trade up to a Z. I received my discount code and I made my purchase, and Nikon sent me my box. This is how it comes. Nondescript box, well packed, with the traditional security tape on it. Now, I took advantage of this because, again, my D10 is pretty much in excellent condition. I only used it for light duty, usually using studio strobes for a photo booth, what have you. So it was well kept. It was a replacement from the D600 days. They ended up giving me the 610, if you remember those recalls. So it was likely to use, and I took advantage of it. So they sent me my new Z6, and right now we're just gonna do a quick open box and see how it looks, how it's packed, and what's in it. So let's get to it. Now, when you guys trade your camera in, make sure you send all the proper things they need. When I had to send my camera in, they want the battery, they want the charger, they want the strap, of course they want the body. As you know from my video, I pretty much sent them everything the way I bought it. So make sure, because that's gonna determine how much they're gonna credit you your form of payment, your credit card. So what I got here, this is just a receipt of what I ordered. All right. Again, I got the Z6, and I also took advantage the adapter. So, because again, I'm a Nikon shooter. I've been shooting Nikon for a while. So, alright guys, and this is how it comes. Alright. This is how they ship it out. Well boxed. So they're doing two package slips, one outside and one inside. Okay. All right, guys. This is how it comes right from Nikon. Well boxed, or ready to go. So let's do this first. So got the body, got the adapter. So let's open the adapter. All right, this adapter is the FTZ adapter. Again, it's pretty much a necessity. If you guys are Nikon shooter and you got Nikon glass, you're gonna need this adapter. All right, you want to take advantage of using your old glass for this new body. So let's, what we got here, we got the model, we got the directions. All right, so typical what comes with a Nikon. It's all packed up, all bubble wrapped. All right, there it is. Not too much to it. All right, guys. Made in Thailand, I guess. This cap. All right. It's light. Have your indicators on when you bring your lens, line it up and turn which way it's gonna go, depending on which way this is mounted. So as you can see, we have the mounts on the adapter itself. There's been some, I guess, disappointment on how this is made up. I'm not too sure. I haven't shot with it yet, so I'll let you know my opinions. Is that a big issue or not? So you have it here, plus on the body, I'm assuming. So we'll see. Again, this is Nikon's first venture in mirrorless system. So again, there's gonna be some trial and errors on certain things, but this is what it is, guys. It's nice and light. All right, guys. Also, again, I've got the adapter. Now, just to show you guys, I have I own two teleconverters. This is the TC-14E 3 1.4 times. All right, so I'm curious on see how it fits. So I'll let you guys know. So I'm gonna do that right now just to show you. All right. Again, this is my first time opening it, so I'm not too familiar on the orientation, which way it should go right now. But by the looks of it, as you can see, your teleconverter, you got the pins up here, and inside you see the pins here. So you're pretty much gonna take it and just line up this mark to this dot, which I'm gonna do, and you're pretty much gonna give it a twist, kind of counterclockwise, and that locks in. So that's how it looks with the teleconverter on. All right. To take it off, you're gonna push back on this little button here, turn clockwise, it comes right off. All right. It's a tight fit. Or I should say a snug fit. So it's definitely as it should be. Again, I just want to put that on there. I was curious on the profile how it looks. And I got another teleconverter. I own the teleconverter, the TC-20E 3 2 times. Again, I will be putting these on my lenses and on the body to see the performance. Again, turn it counterclockwise. You hear a click. All right, that's pretty much it, guys. So allow you to put your teleconverters you can use for on your system. I'm definitely gonna test this out, see how it looks, how it responds. I'll do that in another video. Right now, I just want to check the fitting on it. Excuse me, guys. Yeah, shoot. Got it in there a little too, yeah. Excuse me. I didn't put it in. But, yeah, that's it, guys. And gals. Push back on the button. Unlocks. Alright? So this is just the top. There's no glass in this. Whatsoever, so it's nothing doing. It's just an adapter, like a metal bone, but you know, it goes to the system. So just want to show you guys that. All right. That's it, guys. That's for that. All right. So let's open up the box. Let's take a look and see how it looks. All right. I was just curious on with my teleconverter how that fit, and it's machined well, and then this is very light too, so there's really no weight to it whatsoever. All right. So let's put this to the side, and let's bring the main event in. All right, guys. It's gonna be part 2 to this video. All right. So follow me for the next video of the unboxing of the Z6, where I show you a little close-up, detailed shots of what they sent me. So please like, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video.